Jai Jagannath, Namaskar. Really, I am very happy and I am also thankful to you all for your gracious presence. Respected guests on the dais, scholars, academicians, media friends, organizing committee members of the 9th National Media Conclave, I feel privileged and honored to welcome you all to the valedictory session of the 9th National Media Conclave. I am very happy and privileged to welcome Chief Guest of this valedictory session, Srimati Surma Puri Madam, the Honorable Speaker, Odisha Legislative Assembly. We welcome you, Madam, to the valedictory session of the 9th edition of the National Media Conclave. I feel honored and privileged to welcome Professor Santosh Tripathi, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Fakir Mohan University, as the guest of honor to the valedictory session of the 9th National Media Conclave. We are very fortunate to have Professor Tripathi with us in this valedictory session, even though we had requested earlier to Professor Tripathi to be part of this National Media Conclave earlier because of his busy schedules, he could not able to make it possible. But this time, Professor Tripathi could able to make it possible, and we are very thankful and grateful to you. Sir, we welcome you. And I am very thankful because in spite of lot of busy schedule, Madam Speaker could able to give you some time and join us as the chief guest of this national valedictory session of the National Media Conclave. Friends, as I told you in the inaugural session, in this 3 days National Media Conclave 9th edition, in the last 5 plenary sessions, we have discussed many issues and challenges as we have fixed as the themes and the sub-themes of our 9th National Media Conclave. In 5 plenary sessions such as AI deepfakes and credibility crisis, data privacy in digital domain issues and concerns, digital narratives, cyber security and media ethics, media forensics and synthetic media, the ginger effects, trust and twist in the digital gatekeeping. We have discussed in a very descriptive manner in these 5 plenary sessions. I hope the findings and suggestions of these plenary sessions will be very helpful to the policymakers, the planners, particularly to our state government to come out with a very broad-based roadmap for the state. We are very thankful that our state government, the Odisha state government, they had come out with a very broad-based, need-based electronics and IT policy of the state. And the present government is very hopeful to carry out this roadmap ahead, and the OCAC under the Electronics and IT Department, Government of Odisha is the partner of this 9th edition of this National Media Conclave, and we are very hopeful the findings and suggestions will very shortly to submit the government, and we are hopeful that government will come out with a very broad-based policy, and the suggestions and the recommendations of this conclave will be part of that broad-based policy. Friends, during the inaugural ceremony, I had focused one thing. We always, in all aspects, we always put Gandhi, the father of the nation, always at the forefront. When we remember Mahatma Gandhi and his conceptualize his teachings for common welfare, Gandhi was not against of technology, but he was against the technology that would cause disruption in the lives of the masses. As of now, unfortunately, the new technology of artificial intelligence has made employment in many sectors redundant. It appears we have moved far away from the traditional communication. Equally, traditional communication, craft skills, What Gandhi advocated for employment generation and production. The toughest task now is to make use of AI for preserving our cultural fabric, ethical values, and offer livelihood for everyone according to her or his capabilities. Yes, it is the time that we bridge the gap between digital haves and have-nots so that the social goals and positively disrupted. Thank you, friends. So this is the suggestion from the 9th National Media Conclave, and I hope you all have joined. And it is very difficult to say you all, after some while, the 9th edition of the Media Conclave will be declared as closed. I hope during your 3 days stay in Bhubaneswar, you must have enjoyed this conference, and I hope you will take lot of sweet memories with you all. Whenever we will plan for the 10th edition of the National Media Conclave in Bhubaneswar, again we will meet with new opportunities, new ideas, new objectives when we will have the 10th edition of the National Media Conclave. And I also beg apology to you all as the part of the organizing committee of the National Media Conclave. If anything, if any difficulties you have faced during these 3 days staying here in Bhubaneswar, the capital city, and on behalf of organizing committee, we will not hesitate to beg sorry or apology to you all. So with these words, again I welcome you to this end function of this 9th National Media Conclave, and with lots of hope, again we will meet when we will have the 10th edition of the National Media Conclave here in the Bhubaneswar. And we have tried our best to come out with a lot of publication during this National Media Conclave, and I assure to the scholars that you have presented all highly quality-based research papers yesterday, and our double-blind peer review committee, they will submit this thing within 2 months, and all of your selected papers, we are assuring all of your selected papers will be published in our journal, and every quarterly that journal is being published, so don't kindly lose patience. And all the selected papers will be published. With these words, again I thank all the research scholars particularly. Don't lose the patience. All of your articles will be published. And I also welcome the NMC award winner this time. Also the best paper presenter yesterday, those who have presented their research paper, the best paper presenters, they will be awarded during this program. With these words, again, I welcome you all to this valedictory session of the 9th National Media Conclave. Thank you.